Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get another super, put it on top of these. Sometimes you have to really force them to go into those Ross rounds because they're full of because it's so tight and it's full of plastic. Fighting a bee on the lug there. Beautiful. Checking the larvae, all good. Sheets of brood from this girl. Beautiful. Beautiful sheets of brood. I still hear that hive humming away. Yeah, they shouldn't really sound like that. It's all good. Big pools of royal jelly on these in these cells with the young larvae swimming around in there, so very healthy, happy bees. Just working our way into the middle of the nest now. That one doesn't want to come. Just give it a little lift, staying away from the lugs. These gills are going to explode. I took a split out of these not so long ago. Oh, I see a queen cell. Charged. Charged. Yeah, if I don't give them space, they're going to go. Come on, you out there. I need to see what's in there. Charged. Yeah, maybe they need a lot more room. Look at that. 2023 Black Mountain Honey Queen, Italian Buckfast. Beautiful brood pattern. Beautiful. That's what you want to see. And it's roughly 7,000. Let's take that brace comb off. It's definitely a bee killer when you put that back in, and this brace comb's on the bottom. You just kill bees. There we go. Let's clean it up nicely. Yeah, this girl's one of my best queens in here, despite her being 2023. Some good genetics in here. Were not impressed with me shaking that frame then. Just looking for that queen. Wow, she does a lovely job. Just looking for disease. It's all pollen. Another cup on the bottom there. So yeah, I think I'm just going to go and get a super, try and put them off this swarming. I mean, like I said, I've already split these girls. They'll just bounce back no end. 3 frames of nice brood there. These bees are not impressed. They know the rain's coming. They know the rain's coming, and I've got the hive open. Another beautiful frame of brood. These girls are ready to explode. Supporting a queen cell at the bottom of the frame there. Beautiful. I could probably split these girls again. Maybe I'll take the genetics from here. That's charged, that's got an egg in. Charged. Charged. Yep, so yeah, if I don't give these girls more room, they're going to go. Let's clean off the bottom of these frames. Don't want to put the frame back in and then squash the queen. New frame here, we'll check this one. All drawn out. Full of eggs. Nice queen cell there. That's charged as well. We'll just take this brace comb off the bottom of the frames. Try not to let it fall into the hive like that. So we're just full of eggs and brood. I'll show you them. They're on this brood in all stages here. And if you can see deep into the frame there. Yeah, if these girls are intent on going, then wow, this hive is absolutely rammed. When you look down, there's a lot. So yeah, gonna put might even put 2 supers on here. Nice new frame, new brood. Found the queen. She's on this frame. Just having a look, a few queen cells. Try and keep the queen where she is so you can see her. Nice red dot there. Doing a wonderful job. Just going to check the bottom of these. Just keeping an eye on that queen. Keeping an eye on that queen, don't want her to run down to the bottom of the frame, which she just did then. Nice and gentle with the frames. Just trying to take these queen cells, you know. They obviously feel that they need to move on. Nice and gentle with this frame. Doesn't take a lot for the queen to jump across onto another frame. Just full of food. Perfect. Just checking for that queen, that she hasn't gone down. There we go, we're done. We are done. There we go. Let's get these frames back across. I'll go and get a couple of supers. I sorted the shed out the other day, so I'm going to use a bit of smoke. Where's my smoker? I can smell it. Oh yeah, it's over here. So I'm just going to smoke these girls down a little bit. Just moving them up from this side of the box so I can just scrape this brace comb off without killing anyone. So they are producing queen cells. We'll see if we can get them out of that habit. You can see on top of the hive there, they're definitely cells. Let's get this back in. Let's get rid of these. Don't want them in the hive.